Fiona leaves £1,600 in the bank for 4 years. It earns 4% compound interest. Calculate the total amount Fiona has in the bank at the end of the 4 years. So I want the total amount, not just the interest. You have to be careful with that because if it asks the interest, you need to take away the total amount at the end of your answer. So we're starting off with 1,600. And it earns compound interest at 4%. So we always start off with 100%. We're adding on 4%. So that is 104%, which as a decimal is 1.04. And we're doing this for 4 years, so it's to the power of 4. So on my calculator, 1,600 times 1.04 to the power of 4. And I come out with, remember it's money, so I'm going to do it to 2 decimal places, £1,871.77.